Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to report someone's account on Snapchat. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your Snapchat app. Then go to Stories. Now click on that stories which you want to report. Now click on three dots. And now press on Report Snap. And if you want to report someone from your friend list, then go to your account, scroll down and click on My Friends and long press on your friend's name. Now click on Manage Friendship and click on Report. Then press on Done. So this is how you can report someone's account on Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do it. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.